What if I told you that you can go from a blank screen to a print-ready, sellable design with one prompt? No Photoshop, no illustration, no jumping between 5 tabs. I'm gonna do it live in this video. But here's the catch. Almost everyone misses. The reason your AI designs come out looking off, blurry text, the garbled letters, that is obviously AI. Look, it's not your prompt. It's the model you're picking, and it's the one nearly everybody defaults to. So let me show you that one prompt, that one tool, that one model that actually gets you a design you can sell. Quick reality check. The POD designs that actually sell, especially on Amazon Merch and Etsy, are usually text-led. A funny phrase, a nice slogan, bold typography on a clean shirt. That's the bread and butter right there. The problem, most AI image models are built for photorealism. Pretty pictures, realistic faces, they are all notoriously bad at spelling. You've seen it. You ask for a shirt that says the world's okayest fisherman, and it hands you the world's okayest fisherman. Useless, right? Text is messed up. The move is to use a model that actually is trained for typography and layout. Today I'm doing all of that inside of Kittl. They are the sponsor of this video. The reason I'm genuinely into it is the part I'm actually going to show you in a minute, where the entire workflow happens in one window. The link's going to be in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm logged into Kittl already. I'm going to go over here to new project on the left-hand side, and then it's going to populate. Now, one of the cool things here, it has all the templates for you available on the back end, and you can click on any of these templates here to your liking, right? So there's a popular, and there's a ton of stuff down here that you can click. I'm going to come over here to print on demand. I'm going to come over here to, you can come over here to Amazon Merch or whatever print provider that you're using. So if you're uploading designs, so say you're using Printify to upload designs, you can use that. Or if you're using, let's say you're using Gelato or you're using Printful, there's a few different things that, a few different templates that you can use back here. So I'm gonna come over here to Merch by Amazon, hit that, hit create. All right. And there's this little toolbar right here on the bottom. So this is my little canvas right here, right? Bottom, just click here. Now we're gonna go ahead and generate an image on the bottom down here. Now here is the prompt I'm using. I'm only typing it in once. I want a vintage typography design for a fishing niche. So this is the prompt right here. Retro distressed typography t-shirt design. Text reads world okay as fisherman, bold, concise font, fishing hook illustration, muted vintage color palette, isolated on a plain background. Boom, right? Okay, so notice 3 things here. I give it an exact text in quotes. I describe the style, and this one matters. I say isolated on a plain background, as you're going to see right there, right? That's going to save us a step in a second. And here's the key move before I hit the generate button right here. I'm choosing my model for typography. I'm picking Ideogram 3. Now, you're going to see it right here. It says Nano Banana Pro. Now, they have a few, this is a cool thing about this. Now, there's a few different models that you can pick from back here. ChatGPT, Nano Banana Pro, 4K, Sea Dream, Flux, some cool ones back here. Now, if you come over here to see more, they're going to have Flux, they're going to have Google Ideogram 2.0A, and then Ideogram 3 quality. I'm going to go ahead and hit this one. This one's built in. That's the one build for text and layout. I'm not picking the photorealism models like Flux or Image for this because those are for art and realistic images, not clean readable text. This right here is the exact mistake I'm talking about. So Ideogram 3, paste the prompt, hit generate, and look what it's going to create. Look at that. The text is actually spelled correctly. That one choice already puts you ahead of most people fighting the wrong model. What I did here was pulled up a couple of variations. So when you're typing that in, you can choose, 3 images, 1 image, 4. If you want to test one out first, just hit 1 image, and then boom, you can see exactly what it created for us. And it's cool because it used, instead of the O, like you put in for the OK, right there, right? They used the fishing hook in the actual image. So really cool. That sold me on doing the whole thing in one place. Normally, this is where the tab juggling starts. Download the image, open a background remover, download again, open a vectorizer, download again, 3 tools, 3 downloads, 20 minutes, and by that time you probably wandered off in 5 to 10 tabs, right? Already. Now in Kittl, I can select the design right here, right? And then over here on the right in the same window, I can hit remove background. I can even do it right here. Okay, so it's very simple to do. And well, let me go ahead and do that. Remove background for this example, or you can do it on the tab up above. One click, transparent background, boom, done. You can see how simple that was, right? Like I said, compared to back in the day. Then now I want it to be like more of a crisp. I want it to be crisp on any product size. I run it through the vectorizer. You can run it right here to the vectorizer on the right hand side. You can do it up here too as well. You can choose like the number of colors that you want to put right here. So let's just do like 2. You can vectorize, so vectorize, you can hit to 2 and vectorize, right? All within right here. Now it's a clean vectorized image, right? You can see that. No pixelation, no re-uploading, no app hopping. There's none of that going on right now. Generate, clean, vectorize, all in one place. That's a workflow change, not just a feature. And then as I'm moving it here, okay, you can just resize it to in here. Okay, and then it's ready to download. You can take it on your way. Same thing with these ones too as well. It's very simple just to remove the background. By selecting that remove the background, it's very simple to do. And then you can even upscale it. If you want to upscale it, you can do that too. And it's upscaling. And then if I wanted to vectorize more colors, I can do that too. Okay, it's very simple to do. Like, click here. Let's say you didn't like the number of colors I vectorize, you can vectorize all the way up to 16. Last step, let's see it on an actual product. Kittl has mockups built in. So I drop the design onto a T. As you can see, I can do that within seconds right here. I'm gonna come over here to mockup, hit that. Seconds, see? Like literally seconds. And then they have tons of different mockups on the other side. That is a listable design from one prompt to a mockup ready file without ever leaving the page. If I was doing this for Reels, I'll export the transparent PNG and upload it to Amazon Merch on Demand. Or let's say if you have you're selling on Etsy or your own website, write the listing and boom, I'm done. It's literally that simple. So you can even just move it on here too, okay? And the same thing with you can do the same exact process with the other designs I created. You can download it. Okay, quick export, boom, PNG, done. Before you go, here's the cheat sheet so you never pick the wrong model again. Text-led designs, typography, slogans, ideogram 3. That's your default for POD. Photorealistic art, scenery, realistic subjects, flux, or image. Editing or restyling something you already have, the context or nano banana models. Fast enough concepting when you just want ideas, the speed models. Match the model to the job and your hit rate goes up. Screenshot this part, that way it can help you out in the future if you have any questions. And if you need help with prompts or even more niche ideas, comment the word Volt down below and I'll give you access to my free weekly prompt guide that will help you understand how to generate prompts like a pro. And I send out 5 different ideas every single week. If you want to sign up with Kittl, that's going to be down below in the description too as well. If you want more prompt ideas like I shared with you in this video, watch this one next right here. Thank you very much for watching and peace out.